Ever wondered what a volcano is doing in the middle of Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth? Get ready to meet Mount Erebus, a true paradox of nature, a mountain of fire and a land of ice. This isn't just any volcano. It's one of the most active and mysterious on the entire planet. And today, we're taking a deep dive, or rather a high climb, to uncover its secrets. Imagine a colossal peak, standing nearly 4,000 meters tall, piercing the pristine white landscape of Antarctica. Its summit is perpetually shrouded in a plume of steam and gas, a constant reminder of the incredible power churning deep within. This isn't a volcano that erupts once every 100 years. No, Erebus has been continuously active for over 1.3 million years. That's right, for more than 1 million years. It has been spewing fire and smoke, a relentless furnace in the planet's deep freeze. The name itself, Erebus, comes from Greek mythology. It's the name of a primordial deity, born from chaos, representing the personification of darkness. And when you see this dark, imposing mountain set against the endless white of the polar ice cap, you can understand why the explorer Sir James Clark Ross gave it such a foreboding name when he discovered it back in 1841. It's a sight that is both terrifying and absolutely beautiful. What makes Mount Erebus truly unique isn't just its location, it's what's hiding inside its summit crater. Peering over the edge, you wouldn't just see a smoky pit, you would see something incredibly rare, a persistent, bubbling lake of molten lava. This isn't a scene from a fantasy movie, it's real. This lava lake is one of only a handful on the entire planet. Think about that for a second. We have a permanent cauldron of liquid rock, at temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius, sitting there day in and day out, while the air temperature outside can plummet to minus 50 degrees or colder. How is that even possible? It's a question that has baffled and fascinated scientists for decades. The lava in this lake is also special. It's a rare type called phonolite lava, which is extremely viscous, or thick. This thickness is what allows it to form a stable, long-lasting lake, rather than just flowing away. And this lake isn't calm. It's a dynamic churning system. Gas bubbles rise from deep within the earth, bursting at the surface in fiery explosions, known as strombolian eruptions. These eruptions can fling molten rock, called lava bombs, hundreds of meters into the air. And these aren't just ordinary rocks. The gases crystallizing within the volcano create something extraordinary: Erebus crystals. These are perfectly formed feldspar crystals, sometimes several centimeters long, that get ejected during these small eruptions. They land on the surrounding snow and ice, like strange dark jewels scattered across the white desert. For geologists, these crystals are like messages from the deep earth, providing invaluable clues about the composition of the magma and the processes happening miles below the surface. But the wonders of Erebus don't stop there. As the hot volcanic gases, rich in carbon dioxide and other compounds, escape from vents on the volcano's slopes, they meet the frigid Antarctic air. This causes the water vapor in the gas to freeze instantly, forming incredible structures known as ice fumaroles, or ice towers. These can grow to be over 10 meters tall, like chimneys of ice, constantly venting steam from their tops. They look like something from another world, an entire village of icy smokestacks dotting the volcanic slopes. It's a surreal landscape where fire and ice don't just coexist. They actively collaborate to create bizarre and beautiful formations found nowhere else on Earth. So, why is there a volcano here in the first place? Antarctica isn't exactly known for being a tectonic hotspot. Mount Erebus sits on what's known as the Erebus hotspot, a plume of hot mantle material rising from deep within the Earth. This plume has been pushing its way through the Earth's crust for millions of years, creating the entire volcanic province that Erebus is a part of. It's a direct connection to the planet's fiery core, punching right through the thick Antarctic ice sheet. This extreme environment makes studying Erebus both incredibly challenging and incredibly rewarding. Scientists from the Mount Erebus Volcano Observatory have established a research station on the volcano itself. Every year, teams of brave researchers make the perilous journey to this remote outpost. They face hurricane-force winds, bone-chilling temperatures, and the ever-present dangers of an active volcano. They rappel into the crater, collect gas samples, deploy seismometers, and use radar to map the plumbing system beneath the lava lake. Why go to all this trouble? Because Mount Erebus is a perfect natural laboratory. By studying the gases it releases, scientists can learn more about how volcanoes contribute to our atmosphere and influence climate. The unique chemistry of its lava helps them understand the processes that form continents and shape our planet's surface. But the research goes even further, stretching beyond our own world. The microbes that have been found living in the soil on the volcano's flanks, surviving in this extreme environment of cold, heat, and volcanic chemicals are of great interest to astrobiologists. These extremophiles, as they're called, give us clues about the kinds of life that might exist on other planets. Could life survive near volcanic vents on a frozen moon like Europa? Could it thrive in the acidic clouds of a fiery world like Venus? The tiny organisms on Mount Erebus suggest that life is far more resilient and adaptable than we ever imagined. It's a place where we can study the potential for life on other worlds right here on Earth. Let's not forget the incredible visuals. Imagine flying over this landscape in a helicopter. Below you, a sea of white ice stretches to the horizon, broken only by the stark black cone of the volcano. Plumes of white steam drift lazily from the summit, a stark contrast against the deep blue polar sky. As you get closer, you see the intricate networks of crevasses in the glaciers that cling to its slopes, and the strange, otherworldly shapes of the ice fumaroles. And at the very top, the mesmerizing, hypnotic glow of the lava lake, a window into the heart of our planet. It's a cinematic experience brought to life, a testament to the raw, untamed power of nature. Mount Erebus is a place of extremes, a world of contradictions. It's where liquid fire meets ancient ice. It's a source of destructive power that also harbors the secrets of life's tenacity. It's a remote, inhospitable peak that draws scientists from around the globe, pushing the boundaries of human exploration and understanding. It's a constant, powerful reminder that our planet is still a dynamic, living entity, with mysteries yet to be solved. A volcano that never sleeps in a land of eternal ice. It truly is nature's most magnificent paradox. Thanks so much for joining us on this incredible journey to the bottom of the world. If you are as fascinated by Mount Erebus as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the wildest corners of our planet. Let us know in the comments what other natural wonders you'd like us to explore next. See you in the next video.